My Toys Buddy! Whoa, Jesper, look!
Whoa.
We're in the virtual world.
Yoo-hoo!
This is our house. We need you to give us some food. That's carrots.
Here! Joey Boo!
I can't steal spoon. I see toothpaste. Do you need toothpaste? I also found some bread. Do you need bread today?
We need 100 bear. You want to
100.
people, but we're bounty bear, you know? Woolworths bricks. Unbox and build with AJ Kids.
Jesper! Jesper, look at all the Woolworths bricks we have.
Wow!
Mommy and Daddy have been crazy shopping during lockdown. I think they're a lot more stressed than us. You think?
Mm-hmm. They might all beat them.
Yes. That's all we got. Now let's design our store.
Okay.
Wait, we don't have a complete set. How about we combine our stores together? Aha! Yes, we did it.
Yes.
Now we have a complete store. Jesper, do you like our store?
I like it.
Look, now we're ready to open for business.